In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to connect Apple HomePod Mini to Android and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the possibility of using an Android device and stream music or anything over to your Apple HomePod Mini. As you might be aware, connecting it to an iOS device is extremely simple. Of course, the Apple HomePod Mini is designed to be used within the iOS ecosystem, so connecting it directly is simple. However, if you try to do it on an Android device, when you browse through all of the options, you go over to the Bluetooth settings, and you try to browse through all available devices, you will not be able to find anything related to connecting it. As it stands today, you cannot directly connect an Apple HomePod Mini to an Android device. The HomePod Mini is designed to work primarily with Apple devices and relies heavily on the Apple's ecosystem. So in this video, I'm gonna show you two alternatives that might work. However, they are paid and there is no guarantee that they are actually going to function in your specific Apple HomePod Mini or Android phone models. So to start, if you would like to try these alternatives, go over to the Play Store and look for either Air Music or another application such as Hi-Fi AirPlay. You will be able to find these applications, and all that they allow you to do is to stream music over from your Android device using AirPlay. So you would be able to connect it to a HomePod Mini and stream music this way. Like I said, these are paid solutions. So you will be able to use YouTube Music, Deezer, Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, or anything available on your Android device on your Apple HomePod Mini. So download this application and you will be able to find the receivers. Just choose the HomePod Mini from the list of available receivers and set up the settings like AirPlay and such. Once everything is configured, you will be able to select it from the list and use AirPlay to stream music over. Besides this, you will not be able to directly connect it, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had on how to connect Apple HomePod Mini to Android. If this video answered any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.